Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how to change background image in Squarespace. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at a link in the description of this video, which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So if you want to try this out, if you haven't gotten an account there already, that'll take you directly to your own free trial version of this. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to change background image. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account and go to the home page of the site you want to edit. Once you're there, click on the Edit button in the top left corner to access the editor. From there, hover over the image you want to change. A small pop-up window will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the pop-up window, click on Edit Section, and then look for the Background section. Here, you'll see an option to upload a background image. Click on this option and select the image you want to use from your computer. Once you've chosen your background image, you can adjust the settings to make it look the way you want. For example, you can choose whether you want the image to be fixed or scrolling, and you can adjust the position, size, and opacity of the image. When you're happy with the changes you've made, click on the Save button to apply them to your site. And that's it. So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description, and thanks for watching!